Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Make sure your Dell is on, plugged in, and running the latest Windows update. This prevents install interruptions. Next, sign into or create your Microsoft account so licenses and settings sync. Write down your credentials. Also, free up at least 5 GB for web apps or 10 GB for the full Office install, because lacking space will halt setup. Once done, open Microsoft Store or Office. You're ready for the installation step that follows. Now install and configure Office. First, pick the right plan. Office 365 gives continuous updates and OneDrive, while a one-time license limits updates. Download the installer from Microsoft Store or Office. Then run it as administrator so all components install cleanly. Follow on-screen prompts and accept permissions. After install, launch Word or Excel, sign in, and choose OneDrive as your default save location to enable file syncing. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so security and features. Finish by activating Office using your Microsoft account or entering the product key. You'll see license status under Account in any Office app. Test functionality. Create a Word doc, save it to OneDrive, and print to confirm device integration. If something fails, use Settings apps to run Quick Repair first. If that doesn't work, choose Online Repair or reinstall with the installer run as administrator. One key tip: disable third-party antivirus temporarily during install, because it often blocks files and causes silent failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.